Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of weekly review of Pulse of the Stock Market. Normally, in this video, we normally review how the index has performed in the previous week and what should be our strategy or what we can expect in the upcoming week. So let me share the screen, and before sharing the screen, let me share the standard disclaimer of SEBI. Primarily, what we mean to say is the content in this video is purely for educational purpose. We do not provide any recommendation to buy or sell securities, and we expect the investors to do their own research before, making any investment decisions. And we are not SEBI registered investment advisor, so please do the research on your own. And this video is purely for education purposes, and please read through the full disclaimer, right? So now let me share the trading view screen so that we can review the index. So let's first check on Nifty 50, which is the large cap index, the top 50 shares. If you see the last week movement, Nifty is on an all-time high territory. If you see this, it has crossed, the earlier, the benchmark of say around 25,000. So it is now in the all-time high category, right? So whatever fear was there, like in the previous weeks, whether it was domestic or international, all that noise is gone, and Nifty is back on its track. We call it, the medium trend, and uh, the thing is, next week, this is the place where we should be, and we should see how and which, stocks and sectors they're moving. But Nifty 50 is on the medium trend, right? Let's see how the mid cap index is doing. So if you see, mid cap index actually is testing, its earlier all-time high, right? So next week, we, though it has already touched, and maybe next week we need to see whether it is able to cross it, or, this is a major resistance here, right? But still, if you see the movement in the previous, the movement when there was fear in the, the previous month, uh, it has surpassed everything. So all that noise now is gone, and it is trying to come back to its, the growing path. Similarly, if you see the small cap index, so this is also like it crossed its earlier high, and it is also testing this, the earlier high levels. So we need to see how it goes in the next week, right? So this is how it is, but the primary, if you see, the major action will be, the Nifty 50 and maybe mid cap. For small cap, maybe we can have wait and watch kind of situation. And of course, we need to be some sector specific in both Nifty 50 and mid cap. Also, if you see the India VX, which is, we call it volatility index. So it is, in a particular range. So all that fear which was there around, say, this time, July, say last week, and then the August first week, everything has gone and, diluted now. So there is no fear in the market, and we are in a good medium trend, and we can wait and watch for the next week. But the action will be in, say, Nifty and the mid cap index. So basically, these index actually shows how the market is behaving. If you really want to interpret and understand how to interpret these, indexes to create your own strategy for investing, you can follow my channel, and you can follow me on hashtag Sunil Gupta 95. Follow this channel, like and share the video. And that's all for this week. And till my next video, take care. Goodbye.